Grahak Sathi, 22nd June 2024, Volume 4, Number 50. Latest dietary guidelines for Indians. Latest dietary guidelines for Indian consumers. The Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) and the National Institute of Nutrition (NIN) have recently released updated dietary guidelines for Indians 2024. These guidelines explain the principles of good nutrition through appropriate food choices. They provide practical advice and recommendations to promote healthy eating habits through a balanced diet that supports overall health and prevents non-communicable disease (NCDs) like obesity, diabetes, and coronary heart disease. The comprehensive guidelines also provide information on physical activity, hydration, healthy weight management, food safety, and food labeling. The ICMR NIN have issued 17 dietary guidelines which include guidance for healthy food and lifestyle for all, including children, older people, and pregnant women. The main dietary guidelines are as under: eat a variety of foods to ensure a balanced diet, eat plenty of vegetable and legumes, use oil fat in moderation, choose a variety of oil seed, nuts, nutri-cereal and legumes to meet daily needs of fats and essential fatty acid (EFA), obtain good quality protein and essential amino acid (EAA) through appropriate combination of foods, and avoid protein supplement to build muscle mass. Adopt a healthy lifestyle to prevent abdominal obesity, overweight, and overall obesity. Be physically active and exercise regularly to maintain good health. Restrict salt intake. Consume safe and clean foods. Adopt appropriate pre-cooking and cooking method. Drink adequate quantity of water. Minimize the consumption of high fat, sugar, salt (HFSS) and ultra processed food (UPFS). Read information on food label so to make informed and healthy food choices. In addition to this, the guidelines give food and health care recommendations for pregnant and lactating women, infants, children, and adolescents, as well as the elderly, based on their specific needs. What is a healthy meal? As per the guideline, a healthy meal food includes generous amount of vegetable, adequate whole grain and pulses of beans, along with modest portions of nuts and seeds, with a selection of fruits and plain yogurt or curd. It does not contain any added sugars or has very minimal amount. Also, it has minimal amount of oil or fats and salt for taste. According to the guidelines, for a 2000 calorie intake a day, people should eat about 250 gram of cereal and nutri-cereals, 400 gram of vegetable, 100 gram of fruit, 300 ml of milk or curd, 85 gram of pulses, eggs, meats, 35 gram of nuts and seeds, and 27 gram of fat or oils. Key ICMR recommendations for a healthier lifestyle. The new ICMR NIN dietary guidelines for Indians aim to promote a balanced diet, healthy eating habit, and an active lifestyle so that individuals can improve their overall health, prevent nutritional deficiencies, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Ensure eating a balanced diet. The guidelines recommended consuming a variety of foods from uh, different food groups to ensure a balanced intake of essential nutrients. A balanced diet includes cereal and millets. Go for whole grain like brown rice, whole wheat, and millets such as ragi, bajra, and jowar. These cereals are packed with dietary fiber, vitamin, and minerals. Pulses and legumes include a variety of pulses, dal, and legumes in your diet. These are a very good source of plant based proteins, fiber, and essential micronutrients. Fruit and vegetables. Aim for eating at least 4 to 5 servings of fresh fruit and vegetables daily. They provide essential vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant. Animal based foods include moderate amount of milk and milk product, lean meats, fish, poultry, and eggs. These food are an abundant source of high quality protein and essential fatty acids. Fats and oils. Use healthy fats and oils like mustard oil, groundnut oil, and olive oil in moderation. Avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats. Focus on portion control and moderation. Portion control. Pay attention to portion sizes to avoid overeating, to prevent obesity and related disorders. Use smaller plates and bowls to help you eat smaller portions. Moderate intake of high calorie foods. Limit consumption of high calorie foods, especially those rich in sugars and fats, such as sweets, fried snacks, and sugary beverages. Regular physical activity. The guidelines emphasize regular physical activity and maintaining an active lifestyle for overall well being. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Incorporate physical activities into daily routine, such as talking the stairs, walking short distances, and engaging in household chores. Hydration and fluid intake. Proper hydration is crucial for health. Adequate water intake. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Hydrate more if engaging in physical activities or during hot weather. Healthy beverages. Opt for beverages like coconut water, buttermilk, and fresh fruit juices without added sugar. Avoid sugary drinks and excessive caffeine. Reduce salt and sugar consumption. High intake of salt and sugar is linked to various health issues. Limit salt. Reduce salt intake to less than 5 gram, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon per day. Avoid processed foods high in salt and use herbs and spices for flavoring. Cut down on sugar. Restrict added sugar to less than 10% of total daily caloric consumption. Minimize consumption of sugary snacks, dessert, and sweetened beverages. Promote healthy cooking practices. The cooking method you use affect the nutritional quality of food. Healthy cooking method. Use methods like steaming, boiling, grilling, and baking instead of frying to help retain nutrients and reduce intake of unhealthy fats. Minimal processing. Choose minimally processed food to preserve their natural nutritional value. Avoid heavily processed and ultra processed packaged food, as they are high in sugar, salt, and fat, which are harmful to health. Make informed food choices. Make a habit of checking the nutritional information and ingredient given on food labels so that you can make a healthy food choice. This will help avoid food high in sugar, fat and salt. Avoid protein supplement. The guideline urge people to stop using protein supplements to enhance their body's muscle mass. The consumption of large amount of protein of high concentration from the supplement can lead to serious problems like bone mineral loss and kidney damage. Special recommendations for vulnerable groups. Children and adolescents. Ensure adequate intake of protein, calcium, iron and vitamin for growth and development. Promote healthy eating practices from a young age. Pregnant and lactating women. Increase the intake of nutrient dense foods rich in folic acid, iron, calcium and protein to support maternal and fetal health. Elderly. Focus on easily digestible foods rich in fiber and low in sodium and sugars. Ensure adequate hydration and nutrient intake to prevent deficiencies. Editorial team. Chairman CERC and Torch Praful Amin. Chairman CERS Walter Vieira. CEO and Executive Editors Uday Mawani. Associate Editors Anusha Iyer, Rashmi Goyal. Editorial Assistant Meena Bathvi. Address Consumer Education and Research Center 802 Grahak Suvidha Kendra Sakar 2 next to Ellis Bridge Police Station, Ashram Road, Ahmedabad 380006. Phone number 079 35337262. Email address complaints@cercindia.org. Helpline number 1800-233-0222. ध्वनि मुद्रण शांता मेहता डिजिटल टॉकिंग बुक लाइब्रेरी, अंजन मंडल, वस्त्रापुर, अहमदाबाद 380015. वॉइस ओवर by Anil Dave.